Good evening, I'm Jerry Bilden. Get our iPhone, iPad, and Android app, and you can watch the Dove News on demand on your mobile device and on the Dove Roku channel as well. Now, from the Dove Newsroom this hour, purchasers of healthcare coverage are going to get some additional time to pay. The health insurance industry says consumers who select a plan by Monday of next week will have until January 10th to pay their first month's premium. That's instead of a previous New Year's Eve deadline set by the government. For coverage to take effect, consumers will have to make sure they pay their initial premium on time. Police in Reno, Nevada have identified a doctor who was killed and one of the two women wounded in yesterday's hospital shooting. They say Dr. Charles Goldoian was killed and Shantae Spears was wounded when a suicidal gunman entered the largest hospital in northern Nevada and began shooting. The shooter killed himself after the attack. A police official says the gunman didn't appear to be targeting people, but he says the incident didn't appear to be completely random either. If the Public Utility Commission gives them the green light, Avista Utilities will increase prices by $3.50 a month by late 2014. The utility says the rate increase will allow it to expand and replace facilities, update their technology, and replace some pipelines. A Selma man died yesterday in a fatal car crash on Highway 199 south of Grants Pass. 60-year-old Gary Trammell was headed north at around 9:50 a.m. when his car left the roadway for unknown reasons and hit a tree head-on. Trammell was wearing a seatbelt. He died at Asante Three Rivers Hospital in Grants Pass. And voters in at least 3 states could get a chance to decide next year whether to limit the fees that unions can collect. Supporters of right-to-work laws are focusing their efforts on Missouri, Ohio, and Oregon. But instead of relying on potentially reluctant governors to enact the measures, they're looking to place the issue before voters. Initiative petition campaigns are underway in Ohio and Oregon. 24 states currently have right-to-work laws. The Oregon Parks Department is contemplating a rule to ban smoking out in the open air on hiking trails, picnic areas, and common areas of campgrounds. The agency is acting on an executive order from the governor to reduce the public's exposure to secondhand smoke. Chris Havel says that a smoking ban would also help limit the problem of discarded cigarette butts that never really seem to go away. Now, a quick look at our local weather brought to you by Grange Co-op. For Medford and Grants Pass, tonight a 30% chance of showers, overnight lows in the upper 20s. Tomorrow sunny and 41, and cloudy skies and 47 degrees by Friday. For Klamath Falls, tonight a slight chance of showers, overnight lows in the mid-teens. Tomorrow, cloudy skies with highs in the low 30s and partly cloudy and 39 by Friday. Looking to Brookings tonight, a slight chance of precipitation, overnight lows in the mid-30s, sunny skies and a high of 49 tomorrow and partly cloudy and 51 by Friday. Looking to Port Orford and Coos Bay, a 40% chance of showers tonight, overnight lows in the low 30s, sunny skies tomorrow with highs in the mid-40s, and then again a chance of precipitation on Friday with highs in the upper 40s. And for Wairika, tonight 22 degrees and a slight chance of precipitation. Tomorrow, sunny skies and 39 degrees. Now you're up to date with that look at our news and weather right here on the Dove TV.